everybody, thanks again for joining us here at RiehlFood.com. We got a special show for you tonight. We're going to be making something that I grew up with as a child back on the East Coast. Chipped beef on toast, otherwise known as cream dried beef on toast, otherwise known as shit on the shingle. I don't even know if we can say shit on TV. We'll soon find out. Anyway, it's very simple to make, only a few ingredients. The main ingredient is the dried beef. Comes in a jar. If you can't find it in your store, you got to look down the canned meat aisle, and I got to tell you, that's a pretty gnarly aisle. You don't even want to buy half the crap they sell there. So in a cast iron skillet, what I did is I melted 2 tablespoons of butter, and to that I'm going to add our dried beef. What I did is I pulled it apart in bite-sized pieces and washed it off under some cold water because the stuff is really salty. If you don't wash it off, you're never going to be able to eat it. It's just going to be too much to handle, okay? So I got 2 cans in there. It's probably about 5 ounces of dried beef. I'm just going to let that absorb the butter because you know what? You just can't really have too much butter in your diet. If you're vegan, don't even bother to eat this. To that, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of flour. And I'm going to mix that all in there really good like that. So to that I'm going to add 2 cups of milk. This has all the food groups: meat, milk, flour, bread. What you want to do is season it up with a little pepper. And believe it or not, this is going to sound really weird, but a pinch of salt. I knew we just washed all the salt off of it, but that's kind of take us down a little bit. Now we can just add salt to our liking. Okay, our toast is ready, I think. Oh, beautiful golden brown. Okay, so what we're going to do now is just going to take a little bit of this. You can never really have too much cream dried beef on toast. I'm just going to put it on a plate like that. This is mainly a breakfast thing. I eat this for breakfast all the time. People put it on waffles, on mashed potatoes, but you know, quite honestly, I love it all times of the day. So this is what it is. Cream dried beef on toast. It's a beautiful thing. And remember, if someone ever eats this and tells you, hey, this tastes like shit, all you got to really do is say, why, thank you. I don't know what I'm going to be making next time, but I'm sure it's only going to be half as good what I just made here tonight. Bye.